G'day everybody, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing another episode of Planet Crafter. Now I've come to the ship that's behind that waterfall, which I'll show you in a minute because it's actually now being a waterfall. So I thought I'd come in and check this one out because we haven't done that as of yet. Try and get as much stuff as I can. And as you can see, I've brought the vehicle over with me because there's so much storage in it. I thought it'd be better to be able to bring everything back with me. Oops. There's a crate there too. Oh, another chip, that's good. No, wrong one. Okay, I better have something to drink, something to eat, so I don't die. Because if I die, I'll probably end up all the way back at the base, and then I'll have to fly all the way over here. I mean, I guess I could recall the vehicle if that happened, but I don't want that to happen. So I came in from that way. I'll go down this way. I can't go through there yet. Don't have the upgraded chip. My destruction chip. That's empty. Okay, I'll grab all of that. Can't destroy that because I can't pick up all the iron from it. Let's take this. Oh no, not that way. Not that way. So I'll take this back out to the ship. Come this way. Yes, I did. So take this out to the vehicle. I might just jump in the vehicle for a minute and get some oxygen. That's why I didn't worry about building a pod here, because I thought I can just get my oxygen from in there. I might drop off just some of this food and water. Drop off a couple of those. That way I can fit a little bit more in my backpack. Oops, gotta turn that back on. I didn't even know I turned it off. We're going this way, weren't we? Been there, I'll go there next. Okay, so I can destroy that now. That's not destroyable. There's nothing down there. No. Oops, stuck on something. Stuck on the chair. Okay, so we went that way, so we'll go this way this time. There's two reasons I destroy the crates. One, you at least get an iron from it, and two, then you know where you've been. At least that way, if you end up going in a room and there's a crate there, you can say, oh, I haven't been in here yet, so nothing in there, nothing on the beds, nothing there, nothing there, and nothing there. Is that just a... Yep, that's just another spacesuit one. It's got one in it. And I wasn't watching the screen, so hopefully someone's seen what just got unlocked, or if it was a message, I don't know, I wasn't looking. I have that bad habit of not doing that. That's the way out. How much room have I got? Oh, not a lot. Maybe I'll drop this off first and then I'll come back in. Okay, I'll get some more oxygen. I don't know why my torch keeps turning off every time I go into the vehicle. That's nothing. I think that's the last of it now. It's not a real big ship, but had a bit of stuff in it. Been all through there. I'm sure I went through all this. Yeah, been up there and I've been up there. Can't go there and I've been there. Okay, so we've cleared all this ship out now. So I'll show you some of the landscape. Because as you can see, we've got trees now. Don't want to destroy that. I've got another rocket engine. That's pretty cool. So as you can see, we've got trees. Forgot to look. I did look at the screen before I left to come over here, but I can't. I think we're on our way to insects now. So we'll start seeing like little grubs and stuff on the ground that we can pick up. Now for the fun drive back. Trying not to hit all the trees. Now I've got these extra obstacles. Bad enough when you just got rocks to try and miss. Oh, can't get through there. I thought I could, but I can't. Can I get up through there? No, that's just a rock. Oh my god. It's just a little sand dune and you still get stuck on it. Some people love driving this vehicle. I'm not one of them. But for the oxygen and the storage capacity, I think it's not a bad idea. So we'll get across here and then we'll have a look at that waterfall. Come on. I really hope this thing doesn't take damage, because if it does, it'll probably blow up on me. Straight into trees, that's good. We'll look at the waterfall eventually. I will get there. Oh, crap. Okay, so as you can see, behind that waterfall was that cave that we went into, where we found the lockers, not the lockers, the crates that have got all the backpacks and stuff in them. Don't know if the waterfall gets any heavier than that. All I do know is that it's very, very loud. So if you ever wanted to build around here, make sure you build somewhere way over there so you don't really get the loudness of that. There's a nice flat area over that side that you can build on, which is really good. I've built there a few times. So let's get back. So there's a bit of zeolite, I might grab that. Sort of thinking that maybe building the pods in different places is a good idea, but because these places are quite a long way off, I'm just persevering with the vehicle. Don't really like driving it, as I said, but it's not easy to steer, that's for sure. Come on, this is ridiculous. Oh, get airborne. I've gotten through the worst of it. What was in this crate? There it is. I might as well take it. No, don't destroy that. I honestly thought this would have been the easiest way to drive it, but... Oops, push the wrong button. I think I'm starting to second guess myself, I don't know. Once the cut through... Oh, small zeolite. Once the cut through to the waterfall opens up, we can then go through there. I might even check and see whether it's started opening up yet or not, since we've got trees. I better have something to eat and drink, I guess. Oh, I didn't mean that one. Oh well, doesn't matter. I've got lots of oxygen, so... Yeah, so once that opening is there, we won't need to use the vehicle to go across there. I can just fly through there because I'll be a lot closer. Won't take as long. Now, I can't drive the vehicle, as you know, through the skinny gaps, so I'm going to get out of it here and then fly the rest of the way. Because we can't drive it through here anyway because it's too big. It gets stuck, as we've all already seen. And as you can see, it's getting really, really green around here now. I think it looks really nice like that. There's some areas that don't get as green, like in here and around the lava and that sort of stuff, but it's understandable since this is like a dead area, I guess. What's in this chest? Now, collect these two. Try and clean up as many crates as I can that I find. Now my backpack's not that full, I don't think. No, so we can take some of that out. Been trying to empty that as much as I can. I mean, I've had to try and get all that build done. So we'll go to the vehicle station and we'll just recall the vehicle back here, and then all our stuff will be here, which will be good. Hopefully, if there's no glitches and we don't lose half of it. No, not there. This screen. And then there we go, pull that one back, and there we've got all our stuff back. That's probably the easiest way. Well, I still wouldn't say it was easy driving it. Okay, now we'll drop everything off. Oh yeah, and then this is all the storage now. Instead of having that small area downstairs, I've got an open area here. I think I might just put a bedroom or something in there. What else am I carrying? I do have some titanium on me. Did I have magnesium? No. Silicon. And I've put double lockers to the stuff that you seem to pick up a lot of. Cobalt, aluminium. I think that one's full. Yep. Put that in there. And then the zeolite. Where did I put the zeolite again? Did I walk past it? Oh, there it is. Did walk past it. And then the sulphur's next door. And then we'll go downstairs. So this is now the new screen room. These walls will be changing. I've only got access to the glass walls at the moment. So once I get the solid interior walls, I'll be putting them in place of those. Now, did I say I had a chip? Oh, it might be in the vehicle. Oh, under the stairs. Put our plant seeds away. Put our food seed away. And then over here is my growing area, so I've got all my vegetables and whatever growing there. And I've got lockers for each and every one of them, and then I've got my water and oxygen down there. I don't have any of those small powers anymore, I've just got those big ones. So now unload this. Oops, that's the front. Okay, so let's see, we'll unload that. Then that. Unload most of this, just not all of it, because, well, don't have room anyway, but unload the food. Actually, no, I won't unload the food. I'll keep the water, food and oxygen in there. Okay, so that's all I can unload. Oh, and I've also got my gas extractor in now too, so as you've seen, it gives methane and oxygen. Put that one away. Okay, I don't have a locker for this other stuff yet, so it'll have to go in here. It's got iron, sulfur and iridium rods. Iron. Sulfur's over here. Oh, here comes that loud rain again. Iridium rods there. Rocket engine there. So I've got 5 rocket engines now, that's pretty good. Did I not have enough room? I'll do for one more. Oh, that one's not full, so I'll put that in there. So get that up. Okay, so get some more stuff out of the vehicle. Not that I'm looking forward to using the vehicle again, I just think if I have it unloaded, and then that way, if I do decide to use it again, I know I've got the storage. And I've got 2 of the T4 heaters in now. I can't remember if I did that the last episode or not. Let's put that one in there because I don't have a place for that yet. No, I don't have any of those. Put that one in there. Oh, actually, put you in there then because I don't have a spot for that either. Okay, zeolite. That there is super alloy. At least I found quite a bit of super alloy. I'm quite happy with that. It saves me having to make it all the time. I'm running out of iron again. So let's see what's on this chip. Vehicle T2 speed. Now I'm thinking maybe I might start putting the speed on this. It does seem to go pretty slow. Okay, so I need 2 zeolite and an engine. And then I also need 2 of those, so I need 4 zeolite and an engine and an explosive. Grab the engine and an explosive, and then grab the 4 zeolite. Which is there. Don't have a lot of that, do I? I have have to run around and look for some, I guess. Okay, so we'll make that. Oh, I was supposed to grab 2 rocket engines, wasn't I? And only grab 1. It's a bit stupid. I was thinking of doubling up on the other stuff, but not the rocket engine. Oh well. Mistakes are always made. There, and now we can do that one. Now, do I need to do that other thing, or have I got... Yeah, I will need to do it, won't I? Because I need 2 spots in... It's not on this side, it's on the other side. There's only 2 spots. Oh no, there's 4 spots. What have I got on there? Equipment increase. Limited oxygen, vehicle beacon. 2 inventory increase. So you have to have that one on there with that one. I guess you do. And then the lights. Okay, so we need to do the other upgrade as well. So we need to do the T2 equipment. Does the T1 equipment one go in there? Yes. Okay, so I need to make 1 more of those, don't I? And then I need my obsidian. Because I need super alloy, silicon and iridium. 2 super alloys, silicon, iridium and obsidian. So I need 2 of those. Silicon. And I forgot what else I needed, so that's pretty good, isn't it? Yeah, I'm just going to drop down here. Once I get a wall there, I won't be able to, but for now I can. There's no fall damage in a small little drop like that. It's only if you fall from a big cliff somewhere. Okay, so needed... Yes, I did need iridium. I can't remember if I said iridium or not. Is it? Yes. I guess I should get myself a drink. Let's over this way. Get myself a drink before I pass out, die, or whatever. Okay, so make another one of those. Have to take all of these off, or I'm going to end up dropping them everywhere. Now I can make that one. Okay, so we have increased speed, lights, T2 inventory. Why have I got 2 T2? Ah, because I didn't put that on yet, you idiot. Inventory increased, beacon, there's the T2 equipment. Then I've got the vehicle beacon, unlimited. Okay, so we've got everything back on there. Did anything drop when I took the inventory off? No, it's still there. That's good. Okay, so now it should go faster. Hopefully. Let's test it out. Okay, well I do like the fact that it goes faster. Doesn't mean it's easier to drive. It just means you can crash it faster, I guess. Yeah, that is a lot faster. Very much so. Told you, just crash it faster. Be a lot easier getting up the hills, because I did find that going up hills and stuff it sort of struggled. So that should make it a little bit easier, that's for sure. Okay, so now I have unlocked the T2 ore extractor. Oh, I've unlocked the T2 food grower now, that's good. So I have put a T2 ore extractor in the super alloy area, which I think I might go over there now and check that. So I haven't been over there for a while. And I'll see if any, it's pulled out any of the super alloy that I want. As I was saying, once I get the T3 one, you can tell it what to mine. So I can tell it to just pull out super alloy. But you can't just do that anywhere. It has to be an actual spot where super alloy is. So I couldn't just put one over by the base and say extract super alloy, because it won't come up in the option, because that's not a super alloy area. But I think you can do it just about anywhere for iron and silicon and that sort of stuff. But just the special ores, you know, like uranium, osmium, obsidian, has to be in the area of where those minerals are. Oops. Okay, so as you can see, it just has a bigger locker. Oh, it has pulled out some, so that's good. That makes me happy. Then the T3 has, it goes back to being the small crate again, which is a little bit annoying. It would have been better if it stayed as the locker, because then it doesn't store as much, so you have to keep coming back and forth even more. Once we get drones, because I didn't mention there are drones in this game, and once I do get the drones, I can have the drones go back and forth and pick up everything from the lockers and the crates anyway, so then I won't have to worry about it. But we're a mile and a half away from all of that. Nowhere near getting the drones yet. Oh, and I was going to check that opening, see if that's started or not, and then I can show you where the opening comes up. I know I was going to show that about 2 or 3 episodes ago, and I forgot. I get sidetracked too easy, I think. You can actually see the waterfall from here, but it doesn't look like the openings come up at all, but I'll show you where it does come up. You can see our little starter pod down there. So where this big rock here is, that will split open, and then you can just go through and it'll take you to the waterfall on the other side, which means I don't have to go all the way around there to get there. I can just go straight through here. But yeah, it's nowhere near started yet. So yeah, this rock here basically will just split open. It either splits open or disappears, one of the two, but that's where you'll be able to get through. But for now we can't, so we just have to deal with it. Hopefully I don't need to make too many more long trips that way. I will eventually, because if I need more obsidian I need to go all the way around there to get to the obsidian. But once that's unlocked, once that's all unlocked, I can then get to the lava area so much easier, so much quicker, and I won't need the vehicle as much. But there's so many places I haven't been yet, and I mean that even in general. Like I said, with all the new updates they had, I just haven't really been to any of the new places. Okay, so I'll drop all of this stuff off. At least my iron is actually looking so much better now. Titanium, I'll get one more in there. Go in there. Magnesium's full in that one. Put you in there. Silicon. And then cobalt. And then the super alloy. That's looking much better now. It won't stay like that for long because I'll start building stuff and I'll need it. Okay, so I'm thinking, what else did we unlock? See, I don't remember what was unlocked in my last episode because I haven't played it for a couple of days. Been too busy. But we unlocked that and I got it made, which is good. Oh, I have my auto crafter now. That's good too. So maybe we'll start making these and then I can get rid of the T1s because the food grows so much faster in this. But let's check our power first before we get too carried away. Yeah, we've got 84.5. I might do that off camera because I'm going to have to get some more power going because I'd like to get these ones up, and I haven't got any pulsar quartz at this stage. Or have I? Did I find pulsar? I thought I picked up pulsar quartz at some stage. Did I? No. I thought I had, unless I've used it for something else. Let's have a look. I haven't made a locker for it, so no. So that's a no for pulsar quartz. And that's back over in the black area where I had to go all the way around and to get to the waterfall. Okay, so let's concentrate on I mind putting some of those around the T2s. I've got a couple of them around. But I wouldn't mind putting this, oh not that, where is it, the T2 ore extractor. Maybe we'll put some of them in. I might put 2 in. If I've got 6 osmium, I'll put 2 in. Osmium, where did I put you? Osmium. No, don't have enough. I can put in 1. Okay, so I'll put in 1 of those. What else did I need for that? Super alloy rod and iridium rods. Oops, that's bioplastic. Is it 3 of those? Or 2? 2. Put 1 back. And then, did I make a super alloy rod? No. That's what I mean by the super alloy is going to go pretty quick. So make that. Oh, needed aluminium, sorry. Forgot about that. Hydration's low again. Oops. So we're going outside anyway, so grab a drink. Oh, I should grab some food. Might take all that so that we keep our water coming. Let's put that away and I'll grab some food. Eat a bean. Right, so I want to put the T2 over here. I've got a T1 over here, but I'd like to put a T2 over here. I might put another T1 next to the one I've got over there. And then that way I've got iron and silicon and all that sort of stuff coming up through there, closer to the base. But putting the T2 here, then that way I'll get more aluminium. I mean, as you can see, I've got a locker and a half, but destroy that. Now put in the T2. There. Oh, look at that, the power went down. So I have it. Oh no, I don't. Just gonna have to put in some more large solar panels, I think, because I don't have any uranium or uranium rods. So I'll just put in those trusty little solar panels. At least they still give power, I guess. It's not a lot. So what do I need for them? Haven't built them for a while. I'm gonna have to put in probably 4, maybe 5. So I'll work on 5. Let's just put away what I've got because I can concentrate on the room for what I do need. Okay, so what's the most that we need for this? 2 of those. Okay, so go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I need 5 iron, magnesium, silicon, and aluminium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 iron. 3, 4, 5. What's in there? Yeah, I did. Oh, it doesn't matter. 5 aluminium. No, that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that should be everything, shouldn't it? Yep. So we'll go out and build 5 more, and hopefully that's enough. If not, I'll have to come back and get some more stuff and build some more. Start another row. That's alright, only needed 3, but it's okay, we've got 2 extra. Okay, so now this here, the gas extractor, you get your methane and your oxygen out of it, so that helps. I don't have to keep making oxygen then. So I'll put my methane in here, oxygen over here. Okay, so what else do we need to build? I wouldn't mind getting that done. Okay, so 2 osmium and super alloy rod. 2 osmium. Oh, that's all I've got left too. No, it's uranium. Oh, didn't grab my aluminium. Oh, you think I would remember that by now, but no. So there. Now the reason why I want to build this is because when I need to make like super alloy and stuff like that, it gets tedious running all the way through here trying to pick everything up. It's just more annoying than anything. Just gonna make sure it gets all my lockers that I need. Oh, geez, there goes the power again. Oh, funny about that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 7 there. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Just put 3 more up for now. Hopefully that's enough. Okay. Should have put more than 5 up, but it doesn't matter. Is 3 going to be enough? Nope. Let's put up some more. Put up another 4, I think. Okay, so I'll put them up and hopefully fingers crossed that this will be enough. Really need to go and get some uranium. Actually, I could probably put a T2 extractor over in the uranium mine, I think, or cave, and start getting uranium. Oh, thank God for that. Okay, so for the... Oh, and then I'm going to need more of that. So I'm going to have to build some more of those. I do 19.5, and that uses 164 energy. And we don't have much energy available. We have 33. As much as I like having this here, how much do they chew up? 34. Still not going to be enough, but let's empty this one. I do like having that one there, but I'll have to just wait until... I think uranium is probably more important than that. Now, I don't know if building a T1 will get me uranium. Not sure. $67. What did I say that does? 164. Shit. So we need another... at least another 103. What do they put out? 19. That's not much. I'm going to try and put one of those in over at the uranium area. We'll go do that and we'll see if we get uranium from it. If it comes up with the uranium picture, then we'll know that yes, we get uranium from it. If not, then I'll just destroy it again, and then I'll just have to concentrate on power somehow. See if I can... I might have to go exploring over there, I think. Maybe that'll be the next episode. Explore the other caves, because I'm pretty sure there's a pulsar quartz cave over there. Not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure there is. I'll have to consult with my boyfriend again, because he's been all through there and he's pretty much completed this now with all the updates. Like, he's done all the terraformation. He's just waiting for his extraction rocket so he can actually leave the planet and finish the game. So fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Please do the uranium with the T1. That would be just fantastic. Okay, let's have a look. No. Okay, so... well... Let me work on that off camera, and hopefully by the time we come back I can tell you I've got everything up and going really well. I'll just have to wait for next episode and we can go over and explore that area together and see if we can find some pulsar quartz over there so that I can do the better power, because I'd rather have these up, because as you can see they give 1485 and they only give 331. So if I could get a couple of those in, I can hopefully destroy all the solar panels. I'll keep the ones I've got in of those, but I would like to get at least a couple of them in, because we have so many of those in, it's not funny. So I'm going to call this one here, and I'll either work on that or we'll explore it together in the next episode. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, as it helps the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.